Welcome to ez.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a base angle of an isosceles triangle is 11 degrees more than the vertex angle. Find the vertex angle. We know that in an isosceles triangle, the two base angles are congruent. And the third angle is vertex angle. Let each of equal base angle be denoted by B and vertex angle be V. Now from given base angle is 11 degree more than the vertex angle. So B equals to V plus 11, as sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So sum of vertex angle plus two base angles will be 180 degree. Here base angle is 11 degree more than the vertex angle, so we can write it as V plus 11 equals to 180 degree, which implies 3V plus 22 equals to 180 degree. So after solving this for V, we get V equals to 52.666. So V will be 52.67 after rounding nearest to hundreds. Rounding nearest to hundreds. Hence, vertex angle is 52.67 degrees. Hence, measure of vertex angle is 52.67 degree, and from available options we have option B as 52.67 degrees.